We are going to microwave a onion and let's see how it works out. It is inside a microwave. As you notice, it has water and I cut the top of it. So now I'm going to press the potato setting and let's see what happens. I am taking a big shot of radiation. Oh no, I'm going to drop the phone. I hope not. This is a one shot, a one try. It's gonna take a while. It's going to be like 7 minutes. So you're gonna have to be patient of it. And I'm not going to edit it. I don't even know if it's going to explode. Many people request me to film it and see if it explode. So I selected the dryers of all, and I did exactly what I do every single time. The only difference is the top. I cut it less, and I did not stab it with the knife in the center to try to keep it from exploding. Everything else is the same. It's just a raw onion inside the microwave. Cut the top, cut the bottom, and add a little water from the top and on the plate. And it's just a regular plate. These plates are my favorite plates. I have them since I think it's 2000, 2000, year 2000 or 1899. I mean, I'm sorry, 1999, somewhere in there, during the Y2K. We really saw the world was about to end at that time. Everybody was running around crazy. The world is going to end. All computers are going to collapse. And nothing happened. Everything transition with no problem. So what they were doing was just making people fear, so they can go into Kmart and Walmart and buy some more crap. Everything is about marketing, selling stuff. Onions. These onions are selected in Texas. They are yellow sweet onions from Texas, and farmers from the United States, Mexicanos, are the one farming these onions. And basically, everyone that is in the food line speak Castilian. And of course, right now, the state of Texas, the minus válidos Polacos that learn how to speak English have a campaign against the language, because that idea of whiteness is collapsing or has completely collapsed. The conditioned population, especially the women from Europe, conditioned to be evangelical Christians and don't marry until you have a career and don't have children with guys that you like, because it's against God and all this crap. I have destroyed the ability of women to like man, in my opinion. And now they don't want to procreate. So the procreation of those conditioned evangelicals, Europeans that learn how to speak English and forgot their own languages, are producing very little children. As a matter of fact, there is something like 1.1 or something like that, very low. And that is the attack that they have against the Castilian language and the Iberian people and the indigenous people, the people, the original people from the American continent. They are selecting these onions and potatoes and everything basically that we eat. Everything that we eat is is farmed by low pay label, importer label, and that is the only reason that we are alive in the United States of America. And that is probably the reason they attack them and send them back. So when they come back, they know they're going to come back. They pay even less because they cannot be legally in the United States of America. It is a crime against humanity what is happening. Let's see if this onion will explode. So far, it haven't. Right now, we are 6 minutes into it. Tomorrow is going to be a celebration of Independence Day from England in the United States of America. So I bought a little something different this time. I went and got me a bigger onion and flan. I love flan. I need to eat very little sugar this week, or actually this month. I have consumed a lot of carbohydrates. So far, the onion is just turning, getting hotter and hotter. I might have to restart the process because the onion that I selected was the driest. So it might take a little longer. We'll see what happens. Right now, 7 minutes. We have 11 seconds to go. I can feel it. I can hear it crackling. Oh, it did not explode. So let me start again. It's not even cooked. I think I selected too dry. It might not explode. But at least you see the process, how it's done. I haven't seen any steam yet because actually when you open it, it looks like you steam it, and it tastes just like when you steam it. When I regular steam it with water. Let's look at it. Oh, I can see it's about to explode, or it's about to do something, because it's tilting over. Notice it. It's tilting over, and it's getting the glass dirty. It might not explode. Maybe too dry. Maybe I needed to select the opposite, the wettest. They have the most moist. I have never exploded a onion purposely. Right now we're about 8 minutes, almost 9 minutes into it. I think it's overcooked by now. So I'm going to give it about another 30 seconds and see what happens. Let's look at it. Turning at there inside the microwave. I don't know if you can believe this, but it is very difficult to film this that I am doing right now. It took me about 30 minutes to figure out how to bypass the screen. Well, I guess the microwave actually shut down by itself. I guess it cannot do anymore. So, sorry, it did not explode, but that's how you do it. At least this is how you microwave an onion. I will try again some other time. Saludos.